Many corporate and public scandals today hover around the profession of accountants. Industry players, however, insist that the problem of fraud is bigger than what is on the surface, and the profession is bearing the brunt for masqueraders.
The public has a lot of trust in us as accountants. And all these resources, there is no corruption that will happen without an involvement of an accountant somewhere, because we are the one who keep these books of accounts.
When you go and look at some of the people who have been accused for corruption, a number of them are not accountants. Or if they qualified as accountants, they're not belonging to anybody. You get it? So they're just called probably accounting officers. So there's a difference between that.
Authorities have thereby taken affirmative action to rectify these challenges. There's something to write home about in the attempts of establishing regulatory laws.
We have been able to pass some important legislations in this country that are very pertinent to the accountants. One of them is the Accountants Law Act, which establishes the Institute of the Accountants, and that has gone a long way in professionalizing and increasing the number of professions in the country and organizing the profession.
But the law has to take a bite, because the existence of the law notwithstanding, many accountants, also called accountants, are not registered.
For you to practice accounting, you have to be a professional accountant, because then there's a professional body whose ethical code of conduct you subscribe to. And if you don't subscribe to it, there are consequences, including dismissal from that professional accountant, whether then you cannot continue practicing accountancy.
These remarks were made at an ACCA Uganda Members Convention to commemorate the International Accounting Day under the theme, The Future Accountant, Navigating the Changing Landscape. Ingrid Nantege, NTV, Business.